National Education Policy 2020. Recently, government has announced to implement a new education policy which is known as NEP 2020, which was earlier approved by the cabinet and announced by the government. It is a hot topic now everywhere. After 34 years, this new policy is taken by the government. There is a lot of impact on every citizen of India in the coming years. The specialty of this policy is government has taken the suggestions of public, private and common citizens' opinion in every stage. At this point of time, government is also asking suggestions from all over the country, from the teachers, principals and educationists to implement this policy practically in the field successfully. So, if you are a teacher, if you are a principal, or if you are an interested person, you can participate in this program. To participate in this program, you have to go to the government website. Recently, government has released a letter from the Department of School Education, Ministry of Education, released a letter. In this letter, it is asking the suggestions from all over the country, from the teachers and principals. And in this letter, a website URL is given. If you go for this website, there will be an option. And for the date of this program to give suggestions from, it is starting from the 24th August and ends by 31st August. So a few days are there to participate in this program. So let us know how to participate in this program. First of all, open Google and type the URL https://innovateindia.mygovernment.in/NEP 2020. This opens the site of Government of India. Here you can register here by clicking this link. Before registering, you go through this site in detail, read the terms and conditions and dates, everything you can go through them. And here different themes are also available. So on every theme there will be different questions will be available. You have to answer the questions. If you are interested in which themes, you can select that one. So first of all, go through this all details. When you click register, a screen will appear asking you for email and password. Otherwise, you can enter your phone number, OTP will come to you, you can enter that one. Otherwise, also you can log in with the Google account also. Whatever procedure you can follow, you can log in into the site. If you don't know the URL properly, you can also go to the Google and type there Innovate India, then the search result opens. The first one, My Government Innovate, first one site you open, there NEP 2020 is there, that one also you can open in this manner also. So it is an easy process to open the link. So let us know how to register this one. So click the register button and a screen will appear to you. Here you have to fill your full name in detail and your mobile number. Then it asks your UDICE code of your school. If you know the UDICE code, you can give all the school details will come automatically. No need to fill again. If you don't know your school UODIS code, then you have to fill all these details. After filling all these details, you have to submit them. So let us do this quickly. Let us fill all the details and submit. Then a notice will come to you. Is all the details are correct? Then click OK. Then registration successful message will come and themes will open. So these are the themes available on this platform. You can choose any theme of your interest. That is up to you. So let us see one theme, how to answer these questions. Let us know. So I am clicking one theme. So let us take the first one, early childhood. I am choosing, and when I click this button, the screen will appear. Here a question is there. So the question is, so here different questions are available. You go through these questions and answer in this box. So these answers will be in limited words. You can do in that one manner and click submit button. When you click submit button, it will be taken. That's all. Thank you guys for watching this. To know about NEP 2020 in detail, watch my video from my channel. Thank you very much.